Nintex Workflow Cloud, SalesForce CRM and AppBuilder. I'm just going to log in now to our dev Salesforce account. I've got about 12, 15, maybe 18 account records here. I'm just going to go to my setup area and add a couple of fields. The first field is a simple yes/no field like a switch. The second field is a text field, and we're going to use this to hold the details of a traffic light and pop over tip tool, which is going to really tell the user about the status of the approval process. We've jumped back now to SharePoint. Using AppBuilder, we can surface this Salesforce.com data directly in SharePoint. These views might look a bit rough and raw. The purpose here is to get a feel on how these technologies actually work together. For each account record, we can see a process status icon and the process switch. These were the custom fields I just created in Salesforce. Clicking here on Edit opens an edit form in dialog mode that we'll use later on in this example. Let's jump to Nintex Workflow Cloud and check out the approval process. This is Nintex Workflow Cloud. It became generally available in December 2016. Comes out of the box with many cloud connectors. In this example, I'm just focusing on the Salesforce connector. In this example, we'll be using the onUpdate event to trigger our workflows. The workflow we're using here has got some conditional criteria that controls when the workflows start. It's incredibly easy to set the variables and pull through the metadata from Salesforce and expose them as variables in the workflow. In this scenario, we're looking to manage an approval process around the account or partner status. The business rules here are simple. Any gold account needs to be approved by the CEO. The first real activity of the workflow is to write an icon, a red icon, to Salesforce. A notification email is sent to the form filler confirming approval has been sought. And an express approval action is sent to the CEO requesting his approval for the update of this account. If the update is approved, a new traffic light icon is written to Salesforce. So here we are back in the world of SharePoint. Let's edit this record to change its service level or partner level status from silver to gold. This approval process switch is to limit updates actually kicking off new workflows. Let's save this data and commit it back to Salesforce.com. We can see now the process switch is set to yes and the SLI status is set to gold. Jumping back over to Nintex Workflow Cloud, we can see a new workflow has been initiated. Back in SharePoint, if we refresh the page, we can see this account record has a red icon with a custom message. We can see other account records with similar messages. In my mail inbox, I've got an email notification and an express approval. As I'm the CEO, I'm going to approve this change. Looking at this from Nintex Cloud Workflow, we can see the core process steps that are completed and running. Back now in SharePoint, after a page refresh, we can see this icon has turned green, i.e. it's been approved and it has a new message. There are many other things we could do to enhance this example. We could add a lot more custom information in the hover over on the process icon, such as start date, time, and maybe how long you've been waiting for the CEO to approve it. If the CEO was to reject the change, we could also write those details back into Salesforce. Nintex Cloud Workflow is undeniably cool, with loads of new capabilities. I'm really looking forward to seeing native connectors to NetSuite, other line of business applications, and to SharePoint. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more information about Nintex Workflow Cloud App Builder and the connectivity options, just reach out to us at DevWorks.